up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Honeypot. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm in my bonnet. Yes, I'm finna do a Target unboxing. I'm gonna get on and get off. But you need to make sure you're following me on TikTok, because on TikTok sees my unboxings first. Basically, quite frankly, they do. It's just easier to do, and yeah, they see my unboxings first. But on here, I like to actually talk about the product and things like that. But on TikTok, you will actually see me unbox the product and things like that, and you get more of me. So make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is KylaLatrice98. So yeah, just go ahead and follow me. But today, like I said, we're gonna do a Target unboxing because Target is my therapy. All right, so the first thing, we're just gonna get right into it, is the Black Girl sunscreen. Y'all know I love it. I love this stuff. Okay, I'm not out of this quite yet, but I always like to have, you know, I don't know, when my products start to get a little empty, I get anxiety, and it's like, okay, I need to buy a backup, you know what I'm saying, or a new one. I don't know, that's just me. But yeah, Black Girl sunscreen. This is the 30, not the 50, not the 45, not the 85. The 30 definitely works for me and definitely works for my skin. As you can see, she's nice and smooth. I used her today, even though I'm not going anywhere. It's a great moisturizer. I love it, okay? And a little goes a long way. This product should last you a long time, okay? I cannot tell you when I bought this. Y'all gonna have to go look at a video. But this lasts a long time, okay? I love this sunscreen. Never going to stop using it. Okay, so let me just go about how I returned the other one, because I did tell y'all that I was gonna return the 50 because I did not like the smell. I couldn't get it. I couldn't get with it, okay? So I went to my local Target and I asked her, I said, you know, I asked the lady, I said, you know, I want to return this or whatever. And she said, well, we don't do even exchanges anymore. We do store credits, basically. So she handed me a gift card that had like the money on it or whatever, and she said, just go get the product or go get something that you want, and then, you know, you can pay for it up here. And yeah, only problem was they did not have the sunscreen that I wanted. They were out. And so I was like, all right, well, I'll just go online then and look for it online. So I found it online, got it online, came to me within 2 days. That was what? That was Sunday. Today is Tuesday and it's here in my hand. So yeah. So if you go to Target and you want to exchange something, they don't do exchanges. They give you, like, they put the money on a gift card and give you it to you that way, and then you can use it. But you can still use it online as well. I used it online. So yeah. But the Black Girl sunscreen, definitely one of my favorites. I love it. They also sell it at Ulta too. That's one place I know for sure where I can get it as well. And Target and Ulta are together now. So yeah. All right, the next thing I got is my Honeypot Suppositories. I absolutely love these are for when you are off your period and you want to get cleaned out. And you can also use them for if you have like DV and stuff like that. And you can also use them if you just got done doing the nasty with your man. You get what I'm saying? Okay. Boric acid. How did I find out about boric acid? I found out about boric acid on YouTube, actually. This girl, she's talking about it, and it's Honeypot. So I was like, okay, well, might as well just get it, you know what I'm saying? And this, when I tell you, I be feeling so nice and so fresh down there when I'm done. I be feeling so nice and so fresh. So what you do is you take one out, you pop it in your pom pom. You know, you try to get it up there, pop it in your pom pom, and then what's gonna happen is you want to make sure you're putting on like a panty liner, because all the gook is gonna come out of you and onto the panty liner, okay? And you're gonna be nice and fresh after your period. I absolutely love doing this. I feel fresher when I do it. And these are gonna last you a long time as well, because you only use them once a month. So this is what they look like. And like I said, if you're using them once a month, like, Come on now. How many come in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, see, so this is gonna last me a minute, unless you're using them like after you do the do or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So it might not last you that long, but I don't think you should be putting them in every time. I don't know, but like I said, these help me, these work for me. I absolutely love these. I'm not doing a do, so they gonna last me. And yeah, these are the Honeypots. I love everything from Honeypots. My babies. Now, I haven't had any type of infections, like a yeast infection or BV or anything like that, but they're supposed to help. I think they're supposed to help with BV. I'm not sure. I only got these because the girl was talking about them after her period, but other girls say they help with BV and yeast infections and things like that. So I haven't had a yeast infection in a minute. Last time I had a yeast infection, I was living in Atlanta at the time. Yeah, last time I had a yeast infection, I was living in Atlanta and I used the antibiotics that the doctor gave me. But yeah, and yeast infections are like, we should be able to talk about this shit. You get what I'm saying? Like, we should be able to talk about this because everybody's gonna get one. Like, I don't know not one girl that said like, hey, I've never had a yeast infection. And there are a variety of ways you can get a yeast infection. Like, you're wearing too tight clothes, you accidentally get soap in there accidentally, you accidentally get shaving cream in there. It does happen. You keep your you can literally get a yeast infection, like you're sweating and you didn't change your clothes, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can literally get a yeast infection from being too wet down there, you know. Like, you can get a yeast, there are plenty of ways that you can get a yeast infection. There's not just one. So I don't want anybody to be like, ew, oh my god, that's nasty. Like, no, it's a part of life. And if you don't have one, your daughter probably don't have one, or your cousin, your sister, your mama. My mama done had some before, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on now, we grown. Like, I hate, I'm not gonna say it. I'm gonna be nice. Anyway, Honeypot, really, really good. Boric acid suppositories. These are $17. And yeah, get you some. But $17 is gonna last you a couple months. So, you know, you're not gonna have to buy these again. And the last thing I got, well, I got two, but this is the last thing that's here, is this book. This is called Ace of Spades. I have not started reading it yet, but I just put this cute little bookmark in there. It is The Golden Girls. I got this bookmark from Barnes and Noble, I believe. But yeah, cute little bookmark. But this is the book that I have been seeing on TikTok lately. I really want to get back into reading. I used to love reading like every day. Not every day, but every week my mom would be buying me a book. Like, I loved books. Amy Hodgepodge when I was little, the Tinkerbell series, I read that. Any book from Disney I had, like the Camp Rock book, any book from Disney I had. I just loved, Junie B. Jones, don't get me started. Stop playing. Oh my god, I used to love books. Okay, my mom used to take me to Myers and give me a book, okay, because I was living in Michigan at the time and I was a little bookworm, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I really want to get back into books, you know. And I seen this one. They said it was good. They said it was a Gossip Girl mixed with Get Out, and a mixture of Pretty Little Liars in there as well. So I was like, okay, let me read it. They said there are some trigger warnings as well. But I don't care, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna read it anyway. The cover is really, really pretty. It's called Ace of Spades. Got it at Target. This was $15. And then the other book I'll show y'all once it gets here. What's the name of it? I don't remember the name of it, but the other book I'll show y'all once it gets here. I found that one on TikTok as well. Book Talk is like kind of my thing, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I cannot wait to read this. This is why I have my binder on. Like, I'm not going nowhere. I want to read this book. Like they said, it was nice and juicy, bunch of stuff in here. I want to read this book. So yeah, I just wanted this to be a nice little short unboxing for y'all to see like what I got and things like that. And I want every black girl to know that you need sunscreen, okay? You need some sunscreen. Make sure you get some sunscreen. I recommend getting everything, especially if you like to read and stuff like that. But yeah, if you want to learn more about this book, type in Ace of Spades book on TikTok, and a bunch of things, a bunch of reviews and stuff is gonna come up. So yeah, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And can we just look at this cover? This cover is so beautiful. Ignore that, but this cover is so freaking pretty. So yeah, we're just gonna end on that note. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. Yeah, Kyla Latrice 98. Make sure you follow me, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.